Hello dear students, this is our introductory class on complex number. A complex number is a number that can be expressed in the form z is equal to a plus ib, where a and b are real numbers and I is the imaginary unit. And I satisfies the equation I square is equal to minus 1 or I is equal to root over of minus 1. So, a number which can be expressed in the form z is equal to a plus ib is called a complex number, where a and b are both real numbers and I is the imaginary unit. I square is equal to minus 1 or I is equal to root over of minus 1. Here a is called the real part of or real z and b is called the imaginary part or mz. These are represented as RE of z, which stands for real z, and mz, which stands for imaginary part of z. Now C is the set of all complex numbers. Set of all complex numbers is denoted by C, the capital letter C. Let's see some properties of complex number. First property is addition and multiplication of complex number is commutative. So, which means for any two complex numbers z1 and z2 belongs to the set of complex numbers C, z1 plus z2 is equal to z2 plus z1 and z1 z2 is equal to z2 z1. z1 z2 means the multiplication of z1 with z2 is same as multiplication of z2 with z1. And addition of z1 plus z2 gives the same result when z2 plus z1 is added. So, for any two complex numbers, addition and multiplication of complex numbers is commutative. Commutative means these two properties. z1 plus z2 is equal to z2 plus z1. Commutative with respect to addition. z1 z2 is equal to z2 z1. Commutative with respect to multiplication. Second property is addition and multiplication of complex numbers is associative. Associative means for any three complex numbers z1, z2 and z3, which belongs to C, the class of complex numbers, the set of complex numbers, z1 plus in bracket or in parentheses z2 plus z3 gives the same result as when z1 plus z2 is added first and the result is added with z3. So, in the parenthesis z1 plus z2 plus z3 means plus this addition is completed then added with z3 gives the same result when z2 plus z3 is added first and the result is added with z1. Second is multiplication of complex numbers is also associative. So, z1 in parenthesis z2 z3. So, first we multiply z2 z3 and the result is multiplied with z1 gives the same result when we multiply z1 z2 first and multiply the result of z1 z2 multiplication with z3. So, z1 in parenthesis z2 z3 is equal to parenthesis z1 z2 multiplied by z3. So, addition and multiplication of complex numbers is also associative. Third is multiplication is distributive over addition, which means z1 when multiplied with z2 plus z3 in parentheses, it gives the same result as z1 z2 plus z1 z3. Also, when z1 plus z2 is added and multiplied with z3 on this side, both sides gives the same result z1 z3 plus z2 z3 for all z1 z2 and z3 belongs to C. Thank you.